And this time I went to St. Louis for American Control Conference. Professor Xue and I, and also another Professor Derek Atherton, we published a book with SIAM, Society for Industrial and Private Mathematics. The editor, we met her again, and SIAM has a booth fishing in KCC 09. And we chatted a bit, and our book is for linear feedback control, designing and analysis using Matlab. Professor Xue is the first author, and the third author is Derek Atherton. And she told us that book sold we don't have a pen here. Anybody can get a pen? And so it's called 300, listen carefully, 331 copies. And she feels very satisfactory. I mean, it's pretty good. So we published that book in 2008. Actually, end of 2007. Within a year, we published 331 copies.
How much is that one?
331 copies. The reason I mention that is to tell you that Professor Xue in China has published many books with great impact, and his name is so well known among the young generation. To give you a sense of how great he is, his book in China sold about
keep it good marker.
Very Chinese inventor. This amount, 25,000. This level. And just imagine, SIAM, we sold 331 copies. It was happy. The resolution is not a problem.
Okay, it should be okay.
So the story goes like this. We have developed a Chinese version of the book, and then we have an English version. So this book is kind of a pair suitable for bilingual education. So let me give you a sense about what we have in the teachers. I think the computer is not on. Yeah, the computer is not on. The Chinese version and the English version is there has version 1 and version 2. Here we got the version. So when the Chinese version 1 is published 2004. This one is 2008. This is only V1. So Chinese also, right? So you see we are evolving. So currently what we are learning is the English version, version 1, 2008 version. I'm going to show you through the internet connection about the details of it. Actually you can see a copy here of the cover. And I also attached, I attached the preface about this course. And now you have a better idea about computational thinking, right? We have a good idea about computational thinking. So I put it in here also. This is actually the preface of that book. So why we need to write a book like this? Okay. In fact, I have a copy in my office, soft copy in my office. So you can see this from the internet. So again, my entry point is my see the books at Amazon. So you can buy books from Amazon on my name. So we got the solving applied mathematics problem with Matlab. Okay. It's published in the end of 2008. All right. So. And also, if you go back to see the books in Chinese, you can see on my web, in Chinese. Okay. It's a little bit harder for you. So I want to show you the versions. So this is the version 1 I mentioned. Okay. And this is the version 2. So the version 2 has a little bit more materials in there. So I don't see it except in Matlab. But it's all in Chinese. So this is the version 1 of this title. So I have hard copies in my office. Okay? So if you feel like I want to get if I go here, fractional campus, I can see we have summer course. I have summer course here, math plus Matlab. Right? Good? I'm not right. So basically Professor Xue will teach you from the beginning to the end. But occasionally maybe I can be a substitute to teach part of it. Because we developed this book in the past maybe 5-6 years. Okay? And so I'm supposed to be his substitute. So first lecture is today, not June 11th. Okay? So the book is like this. Next time I can bring a half copy and you can take a look. However, I think the slides are very detailed and you can learn a lot of detailed techniques. We have about 1,300 slides. And it's interactive. Professor Xue will tell you what does this mean, interactive. Okay? And so regarding motivation, and I shared with you about this yesterday. I think Professor Xue and I share the same thing about it. So we need some. We don't have to do a lot of computation. Doing means just focusing on little things, but we need to have enough time to have computation. So I hope this book will try to respond to this computation thinking by offering the readers enhanced math problem solving ability, and therefore readers can have more time than focus on thinking, okay, instead of computation just doing. Okay, so I hope now you have a better idea about what's going on here, and you can see the coverage of this course is almost everything. You go through briefly, like why we need to talk about Matlab, Professor will tell you. Some historical reviews. So basically we'll go chapter by chapter, section by section. And every week you're going to get some assignments, but those only for the registered student of this class. So we got 6 officially registered students in this class. Again, I need to